Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the one and only internet computer. Let's get into this. Welcome back to the channel. You found me once again. Hit me up on Twitter at Real6Fig. This is where I get down and dirty, folks, about everything crypto related. In today's video, we're going to be talking a lot about Dfinity and internet computers. So buckle up, Buttercup. We've got Mano dropping a banger of a tweet September 7th after releasing the experimental version on the native ICP Bitcoin integration. We are still working hard towards a full release later this year. Andrew and I sat down to discuss the what, why, and how of this exciting feature. Now, they've got a really good little video here. I highly recommend that everyone goes and views it. I will link to this YouTube video in the description and pinned comments. Lots of good stuff there. Kyle Langham has an open request to the community asking for links to crypto articles with chain metrics involved. He wants to figure out some of the metrics journalists prefer writing about to see how things on the internet computer compare. So hit him up. If you got some great crypto articles that have some interesting chain metrics, things like that, send him on over a little link to something. Man, Cat Pirate dropped this banger of a tweet, and this is like one of these cool, unique NFTs. And we're going to be talking about NFT Anvil on a later video. But I just couldn't pass up this like tech raptor looking dinosaur robot for 5 ICP. I said, you know what? This is great. So I bought it up. I scooped it up for myself, folks. It's a one-on-one as far as I know. Crypto Girl dropping some bombs. Check her out. Give her a follow at DeFi Wizards. She's got a whole bunch of tweets just like this, and they're great. 10 free dApps to get inspiration for your next project. And really, folks, she lists all of these other dApps that you might not even know about. So I will link to her tweet. So if you want to go check out the Plethora game, which I highly recommend, and I was playing around with it last night, and I will be doing a video on this very soon. Really a cool blockchain game. But with that said, thanks to Crypto Girl for this tweet. There's some good stuff here, so we'll link to that. We did get a little retweet action out of Dominic Williams today, not today, a couple days ago, September 10th. He is going to be a speaker at Token 2049 in Singapore, so that should be pretty interesting. I hope there is a way that we could maybe watch live or watch a recording at least. If you guys have a way or know if that's going to be recorded, please let me know in the comments section. I would love to view that discussion. So, pretty cool. Really, folks, let's talk about the price of internet computer and what's going on. And we're going to need to talk about Bitcoin, of course. Now, back on September 3rd, I'm talking about this possible harmonic pattern that is forming in the markets. And really, when it comes down to it, internet computer was forming some sort of a little bitty, ascending triangle. So that is great to see. But when we look at Bitcoin, we're just going to look at this on the 4-hour chart. I was kind of telling everybody, the last 2 weeks, if we see Bitcoin top off around 22,000, 23,000, somewhere in there and start retracing, oh boy, we might be in for some trouble. And here's the reason why, folks. When it comes down to it, we are still in the middle of what I think could be a corrective wave. Now, I was hoping, and there still is hope, that this could convert into some giant descending triangle and we get a reversal. However, at this point in time, we have already completed an ABC corrective wave. Will we fill out a DE corrective wave to the downside. And this is kind of what I've been talking about in some of my last videos. I do think that if this does happen, and this is some sort of harmonic pattern like a bullish Gartley or butterfly, something of that nature, we will see $16,759 Bitcoin, quite possibly even a $14,466 Bitcoin. At that point in time, we would have a complete ABCDE retracement, and we might be able to somewhat call, not financial advice, but call the bottom perhaps. I'm hoping, folks. We've been bleeding out since November for almost a year. I hate to see people so sad. But let's talk about Internet Computer. Oh boy, I just fat fingered the keyboard. Here we go, folks. It's going to be an interesting day here. In the last video with ICP that I did, I was kind of talking about a similar situation playing out with ICP. Man, this is not what I wanted to see with ICP, and I do think that things could get quite nasty, especially if Bitcoin starts falling a little bit. And we're going to just piggyback to Bitcoin in just a moment. But really, folks, I'm going to just get rid of a few things here. We have confirmation now, almost, that ICP came up to around the 61.8. Technically, I would have liked to see ICP wick this 61.8 level a little bit more. It just is what it is. Will we get this this harmonic pattern? I mean, quite possibly, and I hope we don't. But if we do, I'm hoping that we don't see ICP really go any lower than $6, because what I am hoping happens is that we are just kind of trading sideways to get a bounce to keep continuing filling out this ascending triangle, which is a nice bullish thing to have on your charts. But if we end up breaking through this ascending triangle at about $6, oh man, I think that we could possibly be in trouble for ICP. And let's just get an approximate guess as to where the price could be going. $4.51. Things get really nasty, $3.08, $3.92. So I am hoping that we can just hold the line at like $6 and ride this next wave back up. Now, to just touch on Bitcoin here really quickly, right now on this 4-hour chart, here's my guess. We've got a symmetrical triangle off a bare leg. This is usually an indication that we are going to see price continue to the downside. So if we break this $18,600-ish level, prepare to possibly be going a little bit lower. So as you guys can see on the screen, the markets are blood red, and I hope everyone navigates this crypto market safely, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day wherever you're at in the world. Thank you so much for watching. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe. It's the easiest way to support the channel. I truly appreciate it more than you know. It helps boost the channel in the algorithms, things like that. So we'll see you guys all on the next video. Check the end screens for some additional videos that I've done within the Internet Computer ecosystem. Peace.